Namaste. Welcome to our channel where we explore the vibrant culture and traditions of India. Today, we are going to take you on a journey through the fascinating history of Indian handmade jewelry. Indian handmade jewelry has its roots in ancient civilizations dating back over 5,000 years. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the oldest known civilizations in the world, was known for its intricate jewelry pieces. During the Mughal and Rajput eras, Indian jewelry reached new heights of craftsmanship and design. Royal patronage led to the creation of exquisite pieces, often adorned with precious stones and intricate enamel work. From the intricate filigree work of Odisha to the vibrant colors of Rajasthani jewelry, each region in India has its unique style and specialty. We'll take a brief look at some of these regional specialties. That's all for today's journey through the history of Indian handmade jewelry.